Hi, this is Part 1 SQL Server. Part 1 SQL Server. How to connect SQL Server using SSMS. Server types, connection methods, where stored default databases, custom database location, tables, view, functions location. Open SSMS and connect. Go File and click Connect Object Explorer. Select the server type as Database Engine, server name, machine name or local. There are two types of authentication available. First one is Windows authentication. Another one is SQL Server authentication. SQL Server default username is SA. If you select Windows authentication, you don't need to enter the username, and password. It will automatically pick up your Windows authentication. There are four types of system databases available. This is the user-defined databases. If you extract the database, you can find the tables that have functions and stored procedure available on Programmability tab. Click New Query tab. You will see the scripting area. Now you can select the database that you want to work and start the SQL scripting.